What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Aquatica Orlando for, of course, a Ray Rush construction update, and there's a bunch of new progress. Let's go check it out. We start off our update over here at the storage lot where, well, it looks really bare. A lot of the big pieces that were in here, well, are not. Here's a couple slide pieces that are just sitting outside of the storage lot. And that's going to do it for the storage lot. So only about maybe, I don't know, 5-6 main segments left. And Ray Rush is going to be all done. And voila, here we are at Ray Rush, the main construction site where everything is happening. And I can see a lot of progress since our last update. We have the sphere, it's now in. And the concept art showed it was translucent. It's not, it's okay, I like it still. But we have, of course, the main platform over there. And the slide pieces are not connecting over there just yet, but we have right there in the middle section, just underneath the sphere, it looks like one of the last segments for the launch. And of course we have the big segment right over here with the wave turn, and it looks really good. We have the crane in the air, and they're putting in smaller pieces right now. Well guys, that is going to do it for another Ray Rush construction update here from Aquatica Orlando, and it looks really good. I gotta say, there's only a couple more pieces left. We're going to be all done with this, and of course testing, and hopefully we're going to have an opening here very soon. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.